Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today's video is going to be about proteins. And here's a question: what is the percent composition of alpha helix, beta sheet and irregular structure within a typical protein? And here's a variance of the answers, and here you can see different structures of the proteins, and if you look at them you probably will have an impression that majority would be made by alpha helixes, which is not quite so. It just happened to be that in these pictures we see mostly alpha helixes, but some proteins like alpha keratin almost exclusively consist of alpha helixes, and some other proteins almost exclusively consist, like what you see here, beta barrels almost exclusively consist of beta pleated sheets. In other proteins you can find that irregular structures would be majority. So which answer to choose? Actually, we consider that all these three secondary structures happens with the same frequency. So alpha helix makes 33%, beta sheets makes 33%, irregular structures makes another 33%, so they happens with the same frequency. But again, this is on the average. In certain proteins the composition can be different, but you just have to learn that on the average there is no preference of one type of the secondary structure over another, and they happens with the same frequency. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.